Do you want to learn to code? Do you want the most comprehensive bundle to help you do that? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra, and I run a company called Mammoth Interactive. We sell online courses, and we've sold over 900,000 courses worldwide. Today, we are introducing the most comprehensive coding bundle we have ever produced. So here at Mammoth Interactive, we spend a ton of time listening to customers and crafting new products that are not only really effective, but what people want. And we also have weekly meetings on how we can constantly improve our craft. So we're gonna be introducing an amazing new bootcamp-like bundle of courses. We're gonna be teaching you how to code in 99 days. Now this format is absolutely amazing because every single day you're going to get bite-sized content that is going to give you practical projects that you can use in your resume or LinkedIn. So over the years, these are typical things that we have done at Mammoth Interactive. What makes this format absolutely special though is that you will not only build practical projects, but you'll be able to do it in a very timely manner. And what this does is that this builds you in the habit of being successful. This is going to be our most accessible course to date. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or pro, this course is going to help you succeed, and learning to code is the best way to hedge your skills against uncertainty. And one of the reasons for this is that technology and technology companies have seen a boom in the last year, and we all know why that has happened. And there is constantly demand for new coders. Even if you don't want to be a coder, you do need to be on the same page as a lot of these coders. So if you're in marketing or sales or anything, you need to know at least the basics on how technology works. And this is a fantastic way for you to do that. So what we've done is we've taken some of the most expensive boot camps and condensed them down to the most essential parts and put them into a course. You could be spending tens of thousands of dollars on a boot camp, but you can pledge for this project today at a very low cost. So we're not just going to give you bite-sized materials and practical projects, we're going to be teaching you how to build the right habits to success. Because the clear thing about this project is that you are going to be put on a path. Lots of times, most people when they learn to code, they start with a tutorial here or there and they don't really know where to go. Well, this is going to put you on the path to success. So what are we going to learn in this amazing online boot camp? Well, we're going to start off with coding fundamentals so that anyone who's never coded before will be up to date. And if you've already coded before, this will work on your foundation. We're also going to be working with web development with a ton of different frameworks. And we're going to be adding in another level that shows you how to build apps. And this is iOS apps, Android apps, and apps with Flutter. Another crucial level that we're adding to this is Python. Learning Python is absolutely key because data science jobs are all the rage. And on top of that, we're going to be showing you how to build neural networks and machine learning with Python. And last but not least, we're going to be adding in another section that helps you with interview prep. If you need to find a job, we're going to be adding in a ton of courses that help you pass the coding interview. Passing the coding interview, it can be tough, but we're going to be adding in courses to help you do that. So we need your help to make this Kickstarter a reality, so please pledge today. We have a ton of different reward options, including some of our previously successful Kickstarters. We also have licensing options for institutions and nonprofits. You can check those out down below. And if you want to buy this bootcamp for multiple different people, we have those options down below. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the course.